Today we are discussing about a topic on number system. Number systems are four types. First one is binary, octal, decimal. Last one is hexadecimal. In binary, the base or radix is 2. Nothing but in this we are using only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. Next one is octal. Octal means its base or radix is 8, nothing but 0 to 7 combination. Next one is decimal. Decimal means 10, base or radix, its value ranges from 0 to 9. Next one is hexadecimal. Hex means 6, decimal means 10. Total 16 combinations. Its value ranges from 0 to 15. Generally, we are used to convert binary number into decimal number into binary or binary number into decimal. First, decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 means in terms of binary it can be written as 4 zeros, whereas 1, 0, 0, 1. In order to get 2, we are adding the above number 0, 0, 1 with 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0. Another one is 0, 0, 1, 1. By adding with 2 number, we are getting it 2 plus 1, we are getting 3. 0 plus 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. Next one 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. 6 and nothing but adding 5 with 1 number 1, 1, 0. Next 7, 111, 8, 1000, 9, 1001, 10, 1010, 11, 1011, 12, 1100, 13, 1101, 14, 1110, 15, 111. From 0 to 9, it may be called decimal numbers. From 10 to 15, it may be called hexadecimal. 10 it can represent as A, and 11 it can be represented as B, 12 represent as C, 13 represent as D, 14 represent as E, 15 represent as F. In binary, we are having two methods. First one, binary addition. Another one is binary subtraction. Binary addition means 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Whereas 1 plus 1 is equal to nothing but 2. We can't write 2 because in binary we are having 0, 1 combination. Then 2 can be written as 0 with a carry 1. 0 means sum, 1 means carry. In binary subtraction, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1. Again we are having 4 combinations. 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. When subtracting 0 minus 1, we have to put a borrow from the next column, carry from the next column. It become 1, 0 minus 1. 1, 0 we can written as 1 plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. We are getting a 1. Nothing but 0 minus 1 is 1. Nothing but difference. Borrow means 1. Borrow 1, difference 1. In binary subtraction, by subtracting a higher number with a lower number, by subtracting from a higher number with a lower number, the result is 2. Lower number with a higher number, we are getting a negative number. In order to avoid negative number, we are having complementary methods. Complementary methods are of two types. One's complement and another one is two's complement. One's complement, another one is two's complement. Subtract 110 minus 111. We have to subtract 6 minus 7. This is 6, this is 7 in terms of decimal. Okay, first we have to take 1 0 1 1 1 0 as minuend, 111 as subtrahend. In this ones complement we are having a rules, that is means 1 1 min, one play you place one in terms of 0. 1 means 0, 0 means 1. It is ones complement of subtrahend. After getting ones complement of subtrahend, we simply add to minuend, nothing but 1 1 0, again 0 0. 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0. We are not getting a carry. So that we have to recomplement the result. Recomplement means again we have to 1 1 1 0. 1 in 1 place 0 or 0 place 1. This is the final result we are getting in ones complement. Okay. Again, same rule can be applied to 2's complement method. 1 1 0 minus 1 1 1. Again 1 1 0 minuend, 111 again subtrahend. 2's complement. 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1. While replacing 1 with 0 or 0 with 1, again add 1 to the answer. Okay. 2's complement of subtrahend, nothing but 111. Simply replace 1 with 0. After replacing 1 with 0, simply add 1 to the LSB. 0 0 1. Next 1 1 0 minuend, 0 0 1. 2's complement of subtrahend. By adding to the two numbers, we can get the result. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 1. Again we are getting a carry 0. In 2's complement rule means if carry 0, simply recomplement the result and attach a negative sign before it. Nothing but 0 0 0 plus 1 0 0 1 minus 2. Important topic is convert a binary number into Gray code. We are taking a binary number 1100, nothing but C. 1100. In the first number we can call it as LSB. In last number we will call it as MSB. LSB means least significant bit, MSB bit most significant bit. In binary we are having 4 bits. In a Gray code we have to obtain 4 bits. First bit of MSB is equivalent to first bit of Gray. In order to obtain second bit, simply add first bit of binary with first bit of binary. Nothing but 1 plus 1, 0 ite carry 1. In order to obtain third bit in Gray code, simply add second bit with third bit. 1 plus 0, nothing but 1. In order to obtain fourth bit, again third bit is added with fourth bit, 0 plus 0. In this we have to take the values of sum only. No carry will be deleted. Again 1 0 1 0. It is Gray code. Another one is Gray to binary conversion. For in converting Gray to binary, we are taking 4 binary bits. Again 0, first bit is known as LSB. Again last bit known as MSB. Okay. Again we have to obtain 4 bits in binary. First bit of MSB is equivalent to first bit of MSB in binary code. Okay. In order to obtain second bit, simply add result of binary with Gray code. 1 plus 0, nothing but 1. In order to obtain third bit, simply add result of binary with Gray code. Now 1 plus 1, 0 ite carry 1. In this we have to leave carry. Again we have to add carry sum to the third bit of Gray code, binary with Gray code. 0 plus 0, nothing but 1. 1 1 0 0 plus 0 0. Next, BCD addition. BCD addition means 8421 code. If the sum is greater than 9, we simply add plus 6 to the sum. In order to perform BCD addition, we are taking two numbers 23, 47. The result is 70. Again convert the number 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 7, 0, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Answer is 6A. In order to enter sum is connected to BCD, again 6A. In this A is greater than 9, we have to add 6 bit to the LSB. Nothing but 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay. 0 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1. 1 0 plus 1 1. This is nothing but BCD addition. BCD addition. Gates, nothing but it is a logic circuit having number of inputs but containing only single output state. The circuit is designed like this, having number of inputs but containing only single output. Gates are fabricated in two types, basic gates, another one is universal gates. These basic gates or universal gates are depends on two factors. First one is truth table, another one is timing diagram. Okay, what is meant by basic gates? Basic gates are of three types: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. What is meant by AND gate? By seeing the truth table, we can define the AND gate. First, AB into product, single output, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Multiply with A and B, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. It is a logic circuit in which output is high when both inputs are high. It is the basic definition for AND gate. Its symbol looks like AB, AB, single output. Its IC number is 7408. Again, it is a 14-pin dip terminal. In this, 7th pin is grounded and 14th pin is VCC. Inbuilt 7408, we are having four ICs. This is the IC symbol for 7408. Another one is OR gate. OR gate, its basic IC number is 7432. Its symbol look like this: AB, A plus B, 32. Again truth table, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 combinations. A plus B. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. In this we are having two definitions. It is a logic circuit in which output is high when both inputs are high. It is a logic circuit in which output is high when any one of the input is high or low. Okay. Another one is NOT gate. Its IC number is 7404. Input is A, output is simply complement. Output is complement to that of input. A 0, A bar 1, 1 0. These basic logic gates, we are having a timing diagrams, like we can draw A as you like, we can draw B as you like, by simply giving the notations like nothing but 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 combinations. You simply draw dotted lines for output. For a plus b, y is equal to 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, you simply observe 0 1 means high pulse, 1 0 means high, 0 1 means high, 1 0 means high, 0 0 means low. Entire output will be high for how many stages? First stage, second, third, fourth. 4 stages the output will be high. Again 5th stage the output will be low. Again draw for AND gate. 0 into 1 or 1 into 0. We are getting a low pulse. Nothing but entire output is low. For you draw for NOT gate, y is equal to a bar. 0 means complement 1. 1 means 0. Again 0 means 1. 1 means 0. 0 means 1. This is the timing diagram for 3 gates, basic gates. Another one is universal gates. Universal gates are 2 types. NAND gate, another one is NOR gate. NAND gate, nothing but it is a combination of 2 basic gates. AND gate, another one is NOT gate. We know the basic symbol for AND gate. AB, A into B. Simply complement the circuit by using NOT gate. You get AB bar. By simplifying the circuit, we can read on as AB, AB bar. Okay, its IC number is 7400. Another one is NOR gate. NOR gate we are having again 2 combinations, basic gates, OR gate plus NOT gate. You simply draw for OR gate. Again it can be complemented by using NOT gate. AB, A plus B, it can be complemented by using NOT gate, A plus B bar. Okay, it can read drawn as AB, A plus B bar. Its IC number is 7402. Now you draw truth tables for NAND gate as well as NOR gate. First you product, then you simply complement. Okay, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1. You complement the product simply 1, 1, 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. You complement the previous. Okay. In the NAND gate, you can write a definition as it is a logic circuit in which output is high when both inputs are low. It is a logic circuit in which output is high when any one of the input is low or high. Again, for NOR gate, it is a logic circuit in which output is high when both inputs are low. These are basic gates. Another one is more important is De Morgan laws. De Morgan laws are classified into 2 types. First law, another one is second law. First law means A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. A plus B bar, we can write the statement as it is the logical complement sum of inputs is equal to logical complement product of individual inputs. Again, we can write as the logical complement product of inputs is equal to the sum of logical complement of individual inputs. Truth table or logic circuit first. First one is A plus B bar. It is a nothing but NOR gate that is equivalent to A bar dot B bar. You have to complement 2 inputs. A will be complemented by NOT gate, B is also complemented with the NOT gate to obtain A bar, B bar. Again, this can be multiplied by using AND gate, nothing but A bar dot B bar. It can be dissolved or resolved by using truth tables. AB 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. A plus B bar. A plus B bar 0 plus 0 0. It can be complemented by using 1. 0 plus 1 1. 0, 1 plus 0, 1, again complemented 0, 1 plus 1, 1, again complement 0. A bar, B bar. A bar 0 0 1 1, 1 1 0 0. Again combination for complement for B 1 0 1 0. You simply product the with by using AND gate 1 into 1 1 0 0 0. We can write as LHS is equal to RHS. Again this gate can be implemented as like this. This is now known as bubbled AND gate. Bubbled AND gate. Another one is second law is AB bar, nothing but NAND gate. AB bar. Again it can be having two NOT gates. In order to obtain sum A bar, B bar. Both can be summed by using OR gate. A bar plus B bar. This circuit can be again termed as A bar plus B bar. Nothing but bubbled OR gate. K-map అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ కర్న్ మ్యాప్ అంటాం. నథింగ్ బట్ ఏంటంటే వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ యూస్ చేసి వీటిని సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. పూర్వకాలం మనం ఇంతకుముందు ఏంటంటే ఏ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ బి ఏ యూనియన్ బి ఎలా గీసామో అలాగనమాట. ఈ K-మ్యాప్ ఏంటంటే లాజిక్ సర్క్యూట్స్ మినిమైజ్ చేస్తాం. మినిమైజేషన్ ఏంటంటే ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ మినిమైజ్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఈ K-మ్యాప్లో మనకి ఏంటంటే బేసిక్గా వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎలాంటి వేరియబుల్స్ అంటే 2 వేరియబుల్ 3 వేరియబుల్ 4 వేరియబుల్ 5 వేరియబుల్. యాక్చువల్గా ఈ దీంట్లో ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ టు రిప్రజెంట్ ఈచ్ స్క్వేర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ మీన్ టర్మ్. 1 square represent single, 2 represent pair, 4 represent quad, 8 octa, 16 hexa. 2 adjacent square taking for M5 and M7 we are getting only 3 literals. Okay, 2 variable K-map method, nothing but 4 combinations. 2 means 2 literal, XY, you simply complement it, X prime, Y prime. We are having 4 combinations, 0 1 2 3. 0 means in terms of binary 0 0, 1 means 0 1, 2 means 1 0, 3 means 1 1. Again you draw A 0 0, nothing but 0 means complement, 1 means uncomplement. 0 0, A bar, B bar, 0 1, A bar B, 1 0, A B bar, 1 1, A B. We can write the theory as A is unprimed in column 0 and primed in column 1. Another one is we have to solve that equation as f of AB is equal to sigma 0 2. Simply draw 2 variable 0 1 2 3 1 1. 0 means again A bar B bar, 2 means A B bar. Combination B bar, A bar plus A. A bar plus A means 1 from theorems. We can simply write as B bar. Okay, this is 2 variable map method. In this we are using only 1. Y means sigma 1 means sum of products. It can be represented as sigma, whereas 0 means product of sum represented as pi. Another one is 3 variable. 3 variable 2 power 3, nothing but 8 combinations. Zero 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. Again we are taking here 0 here, 1 here. In this B we are taking BC combinations. Nothing but 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 1, 0 1 0. 4 means 100, 5 means 101, 7 means 111, 6 means 110. F of ABC is equal to sigma f of ABC is equal to sigma 4576. One, one, one. 4 ones. 4 ones means quad. First write number 1010 plus 101. Simply write A0 means complement, 1 means uncomplement. Nothing but A, B bar, C bar, A, B bar, C. In this A, B bar, C bar plus C, we can write as A, B bar. Another one combination is 7, 6. 7, 4, 1, 3 ones, 6 means 1, 1, 0. 1 means A, B, C. Another one is A, B, C bar. In this product, you simply take common as AB, C plus C bar. Nothing but it can be written as AB. Okay. For the final answer is AB bar plus AB. After getting the output, you simply draw logic circuit by using the above equation. A, B bar, nothing but NOT gate. That can be protected by using AND gate. A, B bar. Another one is AB. Both are combined by using OR gate. This is the logic circuit for 3 variable map method, resultant equation.